Today we will study about algebraic identities. In this class you have to study three algebraic identities which are stated below. The first is a plus b square. I am going to find out this identity. A plus b square can be written as a plus b into a plus b. Now multiply a into a plus b and plus b into a plus b. It will be a square plus ab. After the multiplication of b, we will have ab plus b square. Means it becomes a square plus 2ab plus b square. So students, we have to learn the identity. We have a plus b square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, you can find out a minus b square is a square minus 2ab plus b square, and a plus b, a minus b will be equal to a square minus b square. So students, we have to learn these identities forever. This will be used always. So you have to learn. Today our classwork and homework will be based on these three identities. Now I am going to take some examples how to solve the questions using these identities. For example, suppose we have to find out the square of 2x plus 3y. Now 2x is a and 3y is b. This is a, this is b. Use this identity. You can write a square, that is 2x square, 2 into 2ab. A means 2x, b means 3y, and in last b square, that is 3y square. So students, you will have 4x square, 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12xy, or plus 9y square. Similarly, the next example I am going to solve half x minus 2y ka square. Now the second formula will be used. Half x ka square minus 2a is half x, b is 2y. You have not write here minus. We have the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square, minus already written. We needn't write here minus, it will be wrong. Then b square. After the simplification, we have 1 by 2 square 1 by 4, 2 and 2 cancel out, 2xy plus 4y square. The next is, if we have 0.5x plus 2y and 0.5x minus 2y, we have to find out the product. Students, this is a, this is b, a and b. Means a plus b, a minus b. The third identity which becomes a square minus b square. It will be 0.25x square minus 4y square. Some applications of this formula. Suppose we have to find out the square of 98. So 98 square means we have not to multiply. Actually 98 into 98 आपको नहीं लिखना है. We have to use the identity. So 98 can be written as 100 minus 2. You can also write 90 plus 8, but this will be better. The second formula will be used. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So we will have 100 square, that is 10,000, minus 400 plus 4. So this will be 9604. Similarly, the next, if we have to find out 203 square minus 103 square, तो थर्ड फार्मूला आपको यूज करना है. तो a प्लस बी और मल्टीप्लाइड बाई a माइनस बी, इट विल बी आफ्टर एडिंग 306 और इनटू 100 आपने मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया, दिस विल बी आंसर. नाउ वन मोर क्वेश्चन. इफ दिस इज द एप्लीकेशन x plus 1 by x is equal to 7, the question is we have to find first x square plus 1 by x square and second x power 4 plus 1 upon x power 4. So students, see the solution. We are given x plus 1 by x is equal to 7. Now square both the sides. You have to square both the sides. So x plus 1 by x का whole square is 7 square. Now write a square using the first formula 2ab. A is x and b is 1 by x plus b square. 7 square is 49. X cancel out. You can see x square plus 2 plus 1 by x का whole square is 49. Means x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 49 minus 2, 47. Now the second. We have x square plus 1 by x square is 47. Again squaring both the sides. We have x square plus 1 by x का whole square 47 का whole square. x square का whole square 2 into x square into 1 by x square plus 1 by x square का whole square is equal to 47 का whole square. ये आपका कैंसिल हो गया एंड यू कैन सी x के पावर 4 प्लस 2 प्लस 1 अपॉन x के पावर 4 इज इक्वल टू 47 का होल स्क्वायर. तो x पावर 4 प्लस 1 अपॉन x पावर 4 इज इक्वल टू 47 का स्क्वायर माइनस 2. स्टूडेंट्स, यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट योरसेल्फ. 47 स्क्वायर मीन्स 47 into 47 minus 2. After the simplification, you will have your answer. The next, some more questions. We have to simplify. We have to find the product of 98 into 102. So students, we will write 98 as 100 minus 2 and 102 is 100 plus 2. It becomes a minus b, a plus b means a square minus b square. So this will be 10,000 minus 4, and after the simplification, after the subtraction, we will have the result 9,996. Similarly, one more question. If we have to find out the product of 10.1 and 9.19, so you have to write 10 plus 0.1 and 10 minus 0.1. A plus b, a minus b, it will become a square minus b square. So it will be 10 square, that is 100 minus 0.01. After the subtraction, we will have 99.99. Students, this is all for today. This is your content. Watch the video. After some time you will have your classwork and your homework will be sent at last of the class. This will be from outside of your book but related to all these identities. Thank you.